Hello from my garden, everyone. It's a bit noisy because everyone else is in theirs by the sounds of it, but I thought as it's such a beautiful day we do some art inspired by nature. So, oh, it's gone all quiet. So you're going to need some pens and pencils, piece of paper, some scissors and a bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a few pretty bits and bobs. So now we can lay out everything that we've picked from the garden and have a look. Don't worry if you've only got one or two different things. It's all about using our artistic imagination to see what things look like. So these ones actually look like little duck feet, I think. So we might do something with those. So these are our two little ducky feet leaves from a Japanese maple. So we don't need to bother with glue, but you can if you want to glue it on the paper. So I'm just going to draw a line across there, and then kind of a tongue shape really, like that. And then we'll, actually it's looking more like a penguin, never mind. Right, so we'll give him a little beak and a couple of eyes and some fluffy wings, a little bit on the top. And there we have our little duck or chick. Right, what should we do next? So there you go, everybody. You don't even need to draw. You can just arrange them nicely to look pretty and have fun. That's the main thing, is just to have fun, stay occupied. We're all trying to stay home and keep busy. We're all in this together. And nothing lasts forever. It will pass. So until I see you again, have a lovely time. Give me some art ideas. And hopefully I can make another video for you that's